You're trying to start your car, but it won't. Something clicking, but car won't start. This might be your battery's dead. I will show you how to replace a car battery step by step. It's quick, easy, and you can do it yourself without going to mechanics. Before starting, make sure the car is off, the keys out, and you're working in a well-ventilated area. Wear gloves and safety glasses if possible. Open the hood and locate the battery. In most cars, it is at the front on either the left or the right side. Remove the battery plastic cover. In order to lift the battery out, you need to disconnect the negative terminal with the minus sign, then disconnect the positive cable, and the third step is to remove the battery bracket, which is usually holding the battery once you drive it. I will show you close-up shot of the battery bracket. In order to see it better, I need to remove the air intake hose, just for a better visibility. This is the battery bracket. It's held up with the 13mm nut, so you just removing it, and this is allowing you to remove a battery and replace it. A socket wrench usually does the job. If you're still here, quick question. Why haven't you subscribed yet? If you like this real-world fix, hit the subscribe and don't miss the next DIY that actually saves you money. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. That's the black cable, usually marked with the minus sign on the battery. Use the wrench to loosen the clamp and pull it off. Move it aside so it doesn't touch the battery again. Now disconnect the positive terminal. That's the red cable, marked with the plus sign. Same process. Loosen the clamp and remove it. Lift out the old battery carefully. They are heavy, so use both hands. Set it aside safely. Don't tip over. Before purchasing the new battery, please make sure to match your battery specification. As you're seeing in my example, this is the most important information for you once you're choosing the new battery. All these parameters should match up. If you're not sure, check your user manual. Drop in the new battery, making sure the positive and negative posts are on the correct sides. Reinstall and hold down the bracket to secure it. Reconnect the positive terminal first. Slide the clamp on. Tighten it firmly, but don't over-tighten. And here you're seeing the reality. Sometimes the clamp won't slide on, even with the bolt loosened. If the clamp is tight, release the clamp tension slightly, or you can gently tap the clamp with a small hammer, or in my case, a screwdriver. Don't smash it, just a few light taps. Once it slips on, retighten the terminal. Good, now it is snug. Now, let's reassemble the battery bracket. Tighten it up in order to hold your battery while you drive. Now you can put on all the plastic trims you removed. And that's how you replace the car battery. And this is the moment of the truth. Be aware, it is totally normal to see warning lights after battery swap. Don't panic. Drive to 5 to 10 minutes and turn your wheel left to right while driving slowly. That helps the system recalibrate. Sometimes a simple drive cycle clears them. And that's how you replace a car battery. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. If you found this helpful, check for my other DIY car repairs videos.